Where they at? What fence? Just that fence? Fuck that fence. I'm going around the hill. Hey, you guys are all out. Because I got a yellow wristband. I'm here. I can shoot you, but I'm not going to. So y'all out. Yep. Hey, guess what? 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 Y'all are out. Y'all are out. Yellow, get the fuck out. They're all out. Blow the whistle.